एक्साइटिंग जीत के एक पंजे के बाद हमारे नाइट राइडर्स आर ऑन अ रोल और आज उनका मुकाबला है पंजाब किंग्स से। अब देखना यह है कि इस मुकाबले में बाजी कौन मारता है, वीर या ज़ारा। नहीं समझे? किंग खान या प्रीति जिंटा। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू नाइट क्लब, योर वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ऑल थिंग्स कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स। हर बार की तरह इस बार भी बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग अपडेट्स हमारे पास।
Before we begin, let's take a look at how the Knight Riders have fared so far. Shreyas Iyer and his men won 3 games on the trot before registering their first loss to Chennai. Team KKR then began a stretch of 5 home games with an 8-wicket victory over Lucknow Super Giants. The Knight Riders were handed their second defeat of the tournament by Rajasthan Royals, and then they got past RCB in a thriller.
सुनील नारायण डेफिनेटली सुपर नारायण बन चुके इस सीजन, जहां बैटिंग में 286 रन आए हैं 7 मैचेस में इनके बल्ले से। वहीं ये मिस्ट्री स्पिनर टीम की मदद बॉलिंग यूनिट में भी करता है, जहां 9 विकेट्स ले चुके हैं 7 मैचेस में। अब सुनील नारायण का अपनी इस ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या कहना है और गुरु गंभीर के साथ उनका बॉन्ड कैसा है, आप भी सुनिए।
Yeah, I mean, it's good to contribute in all formats. I think if you bowl good and batting good, it's good for the team, and you always have an option of at least one coming off a game. So I think once you do both, and I'm enjoying it at the moment, it's working. So hopefully could continue for the rest of the IPL and give my team as good starts as possible. No, I think Gigi coming back. I think he comes with energy, and he comes with out of the thinking box, and whatever he comes up with, he genuinely believes about it. So I think him coming there and showing that interest and showing that faith, I think it was good. And I think you just, as I say, you enjoy cricket, and I think he's emotional about the game, so he tries his best to come up with plans. No, I think he's wonderful. I think he has a good cricketing head. As we see, he changed bowlers regular and try to come up with plans during the game. So I think when it comes to cricket, he has a good cricketing brain. And yeah, it's good to come out with a close game, and looking forward to Punjab. It's going to be a next tough one, but I think all games are tough. So you just have to try to go there and come out on top.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है गौतम गंभीर और किंग खान का बॉन्ड कैसा है, या फिर गौतम गंभीर के क्या रीजन रहे होंगे 2012 के ऑक्शन में सुनील नारायण को पिक करने के? ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजों पर बात करी है गुरु गंभीर ने खुद नाइट जगआउट पॉडकास्ट में विद साइरस ब्रोचा। आप भी देखिए।
Captain twice to victory, and apparently no city has given the kind of feedback that Kolkata gives.
Look, I believe that KKR has the most loyal and passionate fans in the country. Yes, a lot of other cricketers can talk about their fans, their fan base and stuff, but I genuinely and from the bottom of my heart, I feel that KKR has the most loyal fan base in the entire country. The reason is because, see the history of KKR. I think the fans have gone through a lot in the first 3 years, and then the way they stuck with the team in their thick and thin, I think that just shows that the kind of passion they have. And we won in 2012, we won in 2014, and the entire Kolkata was on road. So that just shows the passion they have and the love they have for the franchise. And it's time probably if we can give something back to them again.
You famously have said, please correct me if I'm wrong, that you wanted to select bowlers who you don't like to face or you believe are fantastic.
Yeah,
personally.
One person was Monemokul. Because he's probably the toughest I had faced in international cricket. So I thought that if he comes in the auction, might as well just pick him. And sometimes because when you face someone, I remember doing the same with Sunil Narine as well. That I faced Sunil Narine when it was his international debut at Indore, where Viru got a double 100, I got a 70 odd, and that was his first game. And I probably must have faced only 7 or 8 deliveries. I thought that this is the guy. This is the guy who's going to go out to become the legend of the game, especially in T20 cricket. And Mone was exactly the same.
It was an amazing story because you had trouble with a bowler. Viru scores 200, you score 70 odd.
And where is Sunil Narine now?
Yeah.
Probably the greatest, one of the greatest bowlers in IPL history.
Well, with KKR, we have to talk about Shah Rukh Khan at some point.
See, I've said it a numerous number of times. I think he's the best owner I've worked with. So imagine someone as an owner who himself has been such a big achiever, such a great achiever, not even talking about cricket or asking you about a single thing your decision making. He trusted your decision making. And I'm not saying that all those 7 years I've taken the right decision. I might have taken some of the worst decisions, the bad decisions, but never questioned my decisions, because that's the relationship, that's the trust he had on me. It was a pleasure actually to have an owner like him.
नाइट जगआउट पॉडकास्ट के आप पूरे एपिसोड्स देख सकते हैं हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर और नाइट क्लब ऐप पर। आज के दिन पंजाब किंग्स के सामने होगी कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स अपने घर ईडन गार्डन्स में। ये बैटल देखते ही बनेगा, लेकिन ऐसी कौन सी वो की बैटल्स हैं जिनके ऊपर हम सबकी निगाहें रहेंगी, आप भी देखिए।
And the Knight Riders have the upper hand in this battle. The two sides have clashed 32 times in the toughest 20, with KKR winning 21 of these games. And when it comes to Eden Gardens, KKR have defeated Punjab 9 times from 12 matches. The spotlight will be on KKR's opening pair of Sunil Narine and Phil Salt, who have been instrumental in giving their sides the required starts in the power play overs.
Salt charging out, Narayan strolling out.
And tonight, KKR's opening pair will be up against the fiery pace of Kagiso Rabada. While Salt is yet to face the Rabada test in IPL, Narine, on the other hand, has been dismissed twice from 4 meetings by the South African pacer in the toughest 20. From Punjab's batting department, KKR's mystery spinners Sunil Narine and Varun Chakravarti will be up against Liam Livingston in the middle overs. Both spinners have kept Livingston relatively quiet in the middle overs.
आज के इस एपिसोड में फिलहाल इतना ही। आप लोग प्यार बरसाते रहिए अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल से विद दी #नाइट क्लब। हम लोग फिर आपके सामने हाजिर होंगे अगले कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स मैच डे पर सुबह 8 बजे। ट्यून इन करना मत भूलिएगा। आज के लिए मैं जा रहा हूं और याद रखो हमेशा के लिए, आमी के क्या। इससे पहले कि हम आप लोगों को बाय बाय बोले, कोलकाता के कैप्टन श्रेयस अय्यर कोलकाता को कितना जानते हैं, आप भी देखिए।
Which is the famous monument located very close to Eden Gardens? आप पास भी करते हैं, famous white monument.
विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, राइट?
Correct.
गॉट इट।
What is?
नहीं आ रहा था मेरे मन में, बट somehow
It's good. Just getting it. I have to up the game. But
Spur
actually,
of
the
the
next
moment,
question
I
is, what is Pani Puri called in Kolkata?
पानी पूरी इजी है, पुचका।
If you're eating at the original Flurries, which famous street of Kolkata are you at? ये बताइए, ये आपको क्या लगा सब आसान ही होंगे?
नहीं यार, बट पता है मुझे ये थोड़ा सा। पार्क स्ट्रीट।
Oh yes. आप गए? You've gone to Flurry Street?
नहीं, बट सुना हूँ बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं इधर जाते हैं बार बार।
Yeah. Okay, final. ये तो आप रोज जब लैंड करते होंगे कोलकाता में तो सुनते ही होंगे. What is the name of the Kolkata airport?
Oh, that's a tough one. थोड़ा सा।
It can be a perfect 5, Captain. If you answer this, it's a perfect 5.
नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट।
International Airport. The operative part.
Yes.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. KKR fans कितना खुश हैं आप ये देखकर.
Thank
क्या
you.
बात है? ये तो हैट रखा है मैंने इसीलिए आपकी.
थैंक यू।